was your holiday?
Good. How are yours?
It was really good, and I was so good. I got a 3D printed vacuum forming tool from Santa. I was so happy. It's a FDM print, PLA material, very, very detailed, and I was really happy. So happy I came in and formed some parts in our lab. But what happened? This is a part we formed, 1/4 inch HDPE. The very first part, it melted, and we only got one part off of it, and I was so disappointed. So I guess I wasn't very good for Christmas. How about you? What did you get?
Well, I was a good boy for Christmas. What I got was a Catalysis FX tool.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty nice. Received this in actually 2 weeks.
Okay.
I was able to form parts, 200 plus parts, something very similar to what you have, off of this tool.
No damage or anything?
No damage, no deformation. Could probably run a couple more 100 parts off of this. No problem. So if you need a couple hundred more of these good parts, I can run them for you.
Well, I guess, kind of the point is, I was excited 3D printing tool, and 3D printing is the rage. Right. That's our business, but obviously sometimes certain technologies work for certain applications. Right. And certain ones don't. So, our business is kind of the packaging part of one of our business models, and it works really well, I guess what you're saying. So maybe next year, I'll get a nice, cool tool like you.
Yeah, there's always hope.
Yeah. Well, I guess in all seriousness, I hope you all had a nice Christmas and New Year, and we'll be talking to you next year.